Hi friends, this is Subrat here and this is the 54 video on my Python series, and in this video I am going to cover about Python set update function. So let's start. So I have some slides regarding that. So at first we need to understand where I can use the update function. So update adds element from a set passed as an argument to the set calling the update method. To make you understand this statement, let us see this syntax here. The update adds elements from a set. From a set represents here B passed as an argument. Here B is passed as an argument to the set calling the update method. Here to the set represent A. A is calling the update method. So what it is saying, what are the element inside the B will be updated, will be added inside the set A. And the return type of the update method will be none. It will not return anything. Let us see some example to be clear on the update method. Suppose I have variable a equal to a small a and b I have capital B variable equal to I have some integer values 1 2 3, and I want to update. In general sense you can guess that updating something meaning you are just adding, you are just including some more features inside it. So if you are updating a, you are adding some more feature or more values inside the set a. So I want to update a, that's why I need to call the update method upon a. Update update. What are the values you want to update? You want to update the values present inside b. In that way you can do like this. So if you want to check a again, the values will be updated inside variable a. Let's see some different examples how you can use the update method. Suppose I have a variable capital C and inside that I have a tuple. Suppose I have a collection of strings hello and I have world. Suppose I have collection of strings inside the tuple C. I want to update A by adding all the elements inside the variable or tuple C. I can call like this C. Let's see what the values inside A. So here you can see A has been updated with the value AB hello world. Let us update the value of A with B again. So A here it's A and B only. So let us update here again. So what's the value we are seeing here? AB hello world. So here you want to update A with B also. Let's run this again. Initially I have A values are A and B, and I want to update B also. Here it will be 1 2 3 AB, and I want to add C values also. Let us see here 1 2 3 AB hello world. Suppose A B C D, I have a D variable, and suppose I have a list. Changuram I have here and Ganguram. Suppose I have this two person inside the list D and I want to update A dot update. I can pass D. Let's see what's the value inside A. So here A will be Ganguram and Changuram with also A and B. So friends, this is all about the Python set update method. If you guys have any doubt regarding this, you can leave a comment under my video. Thank you.